Good day. Today I want to talk about whether your problem is forgetting your keys or trying to cram information into your brain before a test. Sometimes we need our minds to be less forgetful. So, scientifically speaking, how can we improve memory? First, you have to go to the gym, but sorry enthusiast, you can't escape cardio. MRI results indicate that aerobic exercise, such as running, improves memory performance by increasing blood flow to parts of the hippocampus in the brain. This is important because the hippocampus is a part of the brain that is important for learning and memory, but it shrinks by 1 to 2% annually in late adulthood. So aerobic exercise is an effective way to combat memory aging. After exercise and studying, have a snack. After eating a meal, both elevated glucose and insulin enhance the learning of new information. Glucose and insulin are important elements in supporting the transition from short-term to long-term memory, perhaps due to the hippocampus being enhanced with insulin receptors. Try adding berries to your diet. Studies show that participants given a berry supplement were better able to remember past events. Berries contain flavonoids that protect nerve cells, improve their function, and stimulate their regeneration. Make sure to connect with others. Scientists have linked successful personal relationships to good memory. In 2017, a study showed that adults aged 80 and older who had happier relationships in their old age had mental abilities equal to those aged 50 and 60. Other studies have shown that meeting people may protect against the memory impairment common in mental illnesses. Scientists believe that our friends create social pressure, which makes us take care of ourselves and makes us do simple things, whether directly or indirectly, like visiting a doctor. Social interaction exposes you to complex, mentally stimulating challenges. Aren't you friends? Hug your friends right away because they boost your memory. If you really want to boost your memory, you can be a memory champion. Champions can remember the order of a deck of cards within 30 seconds. High memory skills are not due to differences in the body's structural composition, which means that you can accomplish such mental activities through intensive practice. One study showed that after 6 weeks of a 30-minute daily exercise program, normal people showed neural connectivity results similar to those of memory loss. When they were given a list of 72 words, instead of remembering 26 to 32 words, they were able to remember more than 60 words. If you're afraid of forgetting your lecture tomorrow, don't worry. Because research suggests that a high level of anxiety helps you remember details. During stressful events, various hormones, such as cortisol, stimulate the brain to form long-term memories. Perhaps this enables us to deal with stressful situations and change our behavior accordingly. This does not mean that during stressful times we will become better at remembering things, because severe anxiety weakens memory. So it's important to strike a balance between panicking and not panicking in a way that benefits your mind. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.